Now we are going for the peeling of avocado. The peeling of avocado, so it's also a 3-container system. 3-container system, we have our creamed avocado and the container that is going to keep the trimmings, and also the container that is going to keep the final product. So for peeling of avocado, for the final product, we have cleaned water with that is going to be added by white vinegar, just to keep our avocado not changing the color. So this type of peeling avocado, and this preservation method is to retain the greenish color from avocado. So now, since avocado is a type of product that is going to be consumed when it's not cooked, we have to put on gloves. Then once we are ready, so we just pour a little bit vinegar in the creamed water. Okay, you see our avocado is ripe. It's firm. So we remove part that is not edible. Then we make sure that we cut our avocado into 2 pieces. Then after cutting our avocado into 2 pieces, then we twist like this. After twisting it, then we remove the upper part. You see? Then the remaining part, we are going to use our knife to remove the seed from the lower part. So pressing a knife into the seed, then you twist again, then remove. Okay? Then, you see? So it's like after cutting your avocado, you don't need to fight with it, like trying to remove, like fighting with it. Just remove. Okay, you twist, you remove upper part. Yeah, some of avocado may be soft. Yeah. Then I use my spoon to clean my avocado. Then I have to peel my avocado using spoon. You see, it's like I'm scooping it. Then my avocado, it's removed. So I keep them in clean water and with the vinegar to keep the color of the avocado. So See? So you can make mise en place of your avocado as much as the quantity you want. So maybe you are making mise en place for buffet. Maybe you are making mise en place for one portion. So you can make mise en place for the quantity you want. So now I'm done with the vegetable trimmings. Then next step is vegetable cuts. Please pay attention for this next activity.